طيب, so this is about fasting. I'm just separating the questions. طيب. I'm just separating it according to the subject so we can cover subject. Again, don't waste. لا تسرفوا. Don't waste. Don't waste. Ya Allah. Also, learn to write Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Always make it a habit. Your writing will be barakah. Again, it's not an obligation. It's a sunnah. Right? But it's a barakah. Look for barakah in everything you do. In everything you say. To multiply your rewards. Allah will put, what's barakah? Is blessings. What is blessings? Multiplies. Things multiply. Yes. And don't throw any paper in the trash. Shred it. Shred it. That's also to save the earth. Shred it and recycle, ladies. I put this question because this is repeatedly asked. Should I have to make up my missing fasting first and then fast, or Shawwal first? What did you do here? Did not even fast Shawwal and did not yet make up my fasting. You did for Shawwal first and then later on? Why? Okay, so that's exactly the reason. So what she said is because Shawwal is a limited time. They call it Ibadah muakkadah. It's limited. It's only 30 days, right? And then from this 30 days, there's one day of Eid I can't fast. There's probably my period is going to come. So I chose to do this because I can't fast Shawwal next month. But I can make up later on. That's one opinion. What is the second opinion says? Anybody fasted first their Ramadan? Yes. Why, MashaAllah. Why did you do that? Exactly. That's the second opinion. They said, no. You need to finish your obligation first. Because making up Ramadan is obligation. Shawwal is extras. So which one comes first? Obligation. Plus the hadith of RasoolAllahﷺ states, whomsoever fast Ramadan followed by 6 days of Shawwal, then as if he or she fasted the whole year. So if I did not yet make up my Ramadan, I did not yet make up the whole Ramadan. That's the second opinion. What do I do? Now I'm confused. That's what we said. So Shawwal has a certain time, but then that's the other opinion. So what do you say? Yes, yeah, I didn't know. Absolutely. Yes, a perfect answer. If I can, أخذ بالعزيمة. I take what is best. And what is best is make up first and then do my Shawwal. If I can. If I can. Remember, there's a lot of if I can. Why is that? It's only 30 days. If I break the fast, there was 10 days in Shawwal, in Ramadan. Plus I'm going to do 16 days, 6 days of Shawwal, that's 16 days. And assume I have my cycle another 10 days, that's 26 days. Is that okay with my husband? If I am a married woman, you need to look into all this. You cannot obey Allah one part and then disobey Him another part. So if I am, it's my choice, I'm single, absolutely I'll do the fard first and then I'll do Shawwal. If I am married and my husband is absolutely fine with that, I can do that. The beauty of this deen, both are fine. There's no stronger opinion. No stronger opinion. The only thing you cannot do, which the question doesn't have it, you cannot combine them. You can't combine them. You can't do, I'm going to do this Monday, it is Ramadan, Shawwal, Monday. I can't do this. I can do Monday and making up Shawwal, for Shawwal, or Monday and making up for Ramadan. But I cannot combine them. Clear? Alhamdulillah, you know this. I like that.